Today I'm replacing the timing belt on this Audi A6. It's a 2014 year C7 edition. It's got the 2-litre TDI CGLE engine. So I'm just going to talk you through how to gain access. You have to slightly shift the rad pack back on this engine to give you enough room to get in, specifically at the bottom crank bolts to get that pulley off, and to also give you room to get the water pump out and the tensioners off. We start off by removing the splash guard from underneath, and then take off both front wheels, remove part of the splash guards, and that gives you access to the bolts for the bumper. There's a T30 and two 10mm bolts, and we remove those. And then there'll be a small scuttle panel on the top we remove, along with two more T30 bolts. And then we need to remove the plug for, parking sensors. And over here there is a pipe that goes to the washers for the lights. So we clamp that off and release it. Then you can pull the bumper off and remove it. With the bumper out of the way, we have four T40 bolts to remove. This one here at the top, either side, and then the one from the bracket, either side here. With those removed, you can then remove the overflow pipe from the coolant reservoir and unclip the cable release, the bonnet release cable. And then we have three, 15mm bolts holding the front end on. There's one at the top and two underneath both sides. Now, if you remove those, the whole front end is likely to fall down and cause you a lot of issues. So what I have done is I've used a 10mm or a pair of 10mm head studs, or you could use threaded bar or any long bolt. I've threaded these through both sides, and they're holding the weight of the front end. And then you can simply slide it back on these bolts, and that gives you an extra 4 or 5 inches access. So now I'm going to continue on and get this all changed. There are already a couple of videos on here showing you how to do that, so enjoy.